Hey, Canvas crash course on setting up your gradebook with categories. So when you log into Aeries, what you're going to want to do is either click here on gradebook or select any class that you have listed here for the gradebook. Just going to go ahead and hit gradebook here. This is going to bring you to all of your classes. If you have not set your class up yet, you're going to want to go ahead and hit add categories right here, which will allow you to then enter the categories that you want to use. These can be things like assignments, homework, tests and quizzes, whatever it is you have agreed upon with your department. I believe most of us are using asynchronous, synchronous, and assessments. So those are the categories that you're going to want to put in there. If you already have a gradebook created and you need to add categories, you can do so with the button here, or simply click Manage Gradebook. From the dashboard, you're going to click on the Categories tab here towards the top. And from the Categories tab here on top, you're going to enter in your categories that you are using. If you have them counting for a different percentage of the overall total grade, you're going to click Do Weighted Scoring right here. Enter the name of the category and the total percent of the grade that it's here, and pick a pretty color depending on what you want it to look like in your gradebook. But make sure you have these categories, and you're going to want to go ahead and actually leave this window open so you know which categories you have and the percentages, and it'll make it a little bit easier on Canvas. So what you're going to want to do once you have your categories set up in each of your classes, you're going to go ahead and hit save. When you hit save, you will see that they are now locked in there. You're going to want to go ahead and open a new tab and head over to Canvas. From Canvas, you're going to want to find this class. So I'm looking for second period English 10 honors, which is right here, English 10 honors. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that course and click on the assignments tab here on the left-hand navigation. What I'm going to want to do now is look at these gray headings I have in my assignments tab. You'll notice that I have four, including the imported assignments, which I'll move. But I have three main categories: synchronous, assessments, and asynchronous. These match my Aeries categories. So you want to make sure that this category is identical to what you are using in Canvas. If you do not have these categories, or you want to create new categories so that they match up accordingly, from Canvas, all you're going to do is hit plus group. Canvas calls them a group. Aeries calls them a category. Here, you will give the name that you wish to use, followed by the total percent of the grade it will count for, and simply hit save. You will do this for each category that you have created or you need to appear in Aeries. Once you have those created in your three categories, make sure the percentages match up to the same percentages you are using here. That way, we will not run into any errors when we officially move to the grade sync. So again, from Aeries, you're going to want to create categories, and you want those categories to match what you have in Canvas. This is the assignments tab here on the left. Either use your existing categories or create new ones to match what you wish to use. Assign a total point value. You can also adjust all values by clicking on the kebab menu and assignment groups weight. This will bring up all categories you have, and you can quickly assign the percent value that you want them to be calculated as for the total score the students will receive. Once you have both of these steps done, please shoot me a quick email replying to the one this video is in, telling me that you have them set up, and I can check on the back end to make sure they are properly linked to the Aeries course ID number. If you have questions, let me know.